Hello and welcome to Foster Family Adventures, where this week we're at Birches Valley. We haven't been for ages. I thought you were Manda there. I was like, oh, Manda's in shot. No, it's Michelle. you look like Manda when you got your hood up. And we've got the, can I see Zorro? There we go. We've got Zorro too. Blimey, I haven't been here for a while, doing lots of work to the car park. Also, just cost me £8.16. It's £5 for 2 hours, or anything over 2 hours. It's £8. And then the machine wasn't working, so I had to use Ringo. They charged me 16p, so £8.16 to park for more than 2 hours. Absolute gangsters. Lots of work going off at the moment on the car park. Improvement works, I should imagine. I don't think they're making it any bigger. Wait, so apparently there's a doggy agility test. Let's see how agile you are then, Zorro. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go on. Come on, Tenny's at Crufts. He's like, I'm not stupid, man. I'm not going to go in and out these sticks. That's it, good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay on it, Zorro. Come on. You're a champion dog, right? Come on then, Zorro. Over the jumps. Over the jumps. Oh, that one. Last one, last one. Go on, you can do it. Bugger off, Manda. Go on, Zorro. No, folks. I think you did well. Zorro, stick your head in this top dog thing here. Check this out, doesn't it look like we're all about to get murdered in a horror film?
Nobody's got no signal.
No one's got any signal.
What's it called? Hut?
Oh, a hut as well. That's where the murderer hangs out. Filming Zorro in the water because he doesn't normally go in the water. This is unusual behaviour for him.
No, and you go in.
Pull Manda in, Zorro. Pull Manda in.
You want to play?
It's a mate. Hopefully he plays nicely.
No. 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 No.
This is my pond, get out.
My pond. Grumbly good.
This is what we've come for. Manda wanted to see this waterfall. I mean, it's pretty cool. Really, it's a bit better than I expected actually. You close your eyes, you can think you're not in Cannock, you're in, I don't know, Jamaica or something. What do you think, Zorro?
You get it.
Are you impressed with that, Manda? We'd never have found it without our local guides. We're filming Manda on the off chance that she slips over onto a butt. Did you get wet? I don't know what you're hoping to achieve. Go on, Leroy, fall over. Push in! Don't trust her, Leroy, she'll push you. There we go, now she's got some kind of sign pole. Lift it up, don't push. Yeah!
Push it right over, man. Go on.
Go on!
Go on.
Come on, Manda.
What's going on here?
Look like you're sniffing a butt.
Rub monkey.
That's ancestral. Come at it from the other side now. You can come at it from that bank.
What are you fucking about?
Go on, please. One of you slip on that rock.
What are you doing?
Used to dancing on one. Get it from the top. Push it over at the top. Come on.
Oh my God! It's not going to go, is it?
Oh my God, please fall in. That's close enough.
I hope you're filming.
Michelle, can you just at least pretend to fall over? I want you to slip on the rock on your butt. Well done. Well, that was a fun day at Cannock Chase, Birches Valley, even though we got screwed a little bit with the price of car parking, but whatever. We saw an awesome waterfall. Dog went in the water and had lots of fun. And we dragged Michelle out.
Saw a buzzard.
And convinced her to try and climb Scarfell Pike. You're going to come, aren't you, Michelle?
Maybe.
Yeah. So, that's just about what we've got time for. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!